Did you know the first person ever called a philosopher stopped a war by predicting the future, then fell into a well because he wasn't watching where he walked? In 585 BCE, Thales of Miletus did something impossible. He calculated exactly when the sun would disappear from the sky. When that solar eclipse happened, two armies were fighting a brutal war. The sky went black. The soldiers were so terrified they dropped their weapons and made peace on the spot. The same genius who could predict celestial movements? He fell into a well while stargazing. His servant girl laughed at him for studying the heavens, but ignoring what was right at his feet. Here's what Thales understood that we often forget. There's a difference between theoretical wisdom and practical intelligence, between knowing everything and noticing anything. You can master complex ideas but still trip over simple obstacles. The man who asks what everything is made of shows us something profound. Sometimes pursuing the biggest questions means stumbling over the smallest details. True wisdom isn't just looking up at the stars, it's also watching where you step.